Hey everyone, welcome back to Mysticut. Today, I've got a handy trick to share with you that will help you trim a video quickly. Especially when you're on a tight deadline and need to make urgent edits. Of course, you may already have heard about this. This technique allows you to trim your video in just a few seconds without any loss of quality. Let's dive in. So here I have the 5th episode of the Unknown series, a gripping mystery and crime series produced by Wolf Studios. You can also check it out. Okay, so after you import your video, use the navigation controls to find the exact starting and ending frames you want for your trimmed video. Then set the starting point and end point by using the A and B buttons respectively. Keep in mind that you're selecting the part that you want to remove. Okay, after you select it, you can go to the Edit tab and click Delete. Or you can simply use the Delete button. With this quick video trimming trick in Avidmax, you can trim your videos in just a few seconds. Perfect for urgent matters when you're racing against the clock with a looming deadline. Plus, since there's no re-encoding involved, you won't experience any loss in quality. Remember, while keyframe cutting is a quick solution for urgent edits, it may not always provide the precision of professional editing techniques. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. If you have any questions or comments regarding this, feel free to leave them down below. And subscribe to Mysticut to learn more. Thanks for watching.